Good morning, this is Kathy and this is the pre-market analysis for Wednesday, July 16th. ES is currently testing a line in the sand level of 1976.25. Now, what that means is if it goes above it even by one tick, it's going to invalidate this green colored pattern and focus on reaching this inverse head and shoulders 100% target that correlates with the extended target of the blue colored pattern. So 1982.50 is the ideal target above 1976.25 and then above 1978.25. 1978.25 is going to invalidate these two very large patterns, right? Okay, and upside continuation is going to have the ideal target of 98.50 and scaling points along the way at the fips that remain on the chart. So right now the bias is to the upside, but it's pretty extended. So watch for a potential pullback to validate this bullish cross. And if that's the case, if it pulls back or stalls here and waits until what I have as a 20 gets to there and it holds, it continues with the upside bias, so it offers a long opportunity to the upside targets. As long as price holds below 76.25, it implies either a pullback or another attempt to retrace this bearish bat. Downside continuation below this golden ratio zone 64.50 has ideal target down here at 1946.75 and scaling points along the way as shown with the fibs that remain on the chart. Profile wise, yesterday was an expansion day. It was 123% of the annual average range, so there's potential chop today, and right now price is at 1974.75, so it's above this yellow zone, meaning that it's increasing the probability of retesting these highs. Now if price pulls back below this 1971.50, it implies a return to value of 67.50, and then we just look for the zones to be tested. Now there's potential chop at 67.50, 71.50, and if we break down 64.50, then the major magnet target is 1953. CL is currently testing a bearish bat PRZ. Ideal minimum retracement target from here, and I didn't leave it here because I was just going to use the golden ratio zone, is going to be at 124. That's going to correlate with a validation of bullish cross, right? And a test of this golden ratio zone. Failure to get there to the 124 area implies it's either going to stall and wait for these moving averages to get closer to it or upside continuation. Upside continuation targets is 101.48 and 102.55 respectively for the harmonic patterns. Profile wise, price is currently at 175, so price is way above yesterday's high of the day, right? It's up here in between these zones here. 101.02 is the next important level to break above. If it breaks above there, it increases the probability of reaching the magnet of 102.2. NQ has just invalidated this opposing emerging pattern, so you can remove that from your chart. And so what we're looking for now is a test of all levels inside this PRZ, 39.41.50 being the extreme, potential breach of that to complete this Gartley. So when this Gartley completed, it was a very shallow retracement. So I'm going to remove that, and we'll see that our ideal target for this blue pattern is going to be 39.48. Now, so what that tells me is price may breach the 41.50 to tag that and then go into retracement mode. Levels that were important going up are also going to be important coming down. Now if it holds above 39.51, there's a triple PRZ at the 39.70 area. So that is the major target to the upside. Okay? Profile wise, this is regular trading hours only. Price has exceeded the double top, so as long as it holds above there, you have to depend on those fib targets. Once price holds back below 1933.50, major magnet initially is going to be 39.0975 and potential chop in between. Otherwise, until price can get below 39 I'm sorry, 38.9650, the implication it's going to hold inside of yesterday's range or upside continuation. Once price can get below 96.50, the major magnet target is 38.8850. TF is currently testing this golden ratio zone. A hold above 53.6 increases the probability of retesting this region up here at 1167.2, and a hold above there has the ideal targets, the red zones. If price pulls back below this golden ratio zone, 53.60, it implies a retest of 1143.3 or this green PRZ.